So in 2020, HR managers spend hours scanning resume. In 2025, a AI tool does that same work within 2 minutes. It is scary, but it's also exciting because the same technology that replaces some new tasks open a million more. So here's the truth I'll tell you. If you don't understand how AI changing your job, you risk being replaced. If you do, you become irreplaceable. So what I mean by that, if you don't know how AI is replacing it, you will know. So trends are there. I'll tell you a few. World Economic Forum 2025 said AI will automate 85 million jobs by 2030, but create 97 million more. So new roles, AI assistant, assisted analyst, AI trainers, data transformer, prompt engineers are there, and companies are hiring people not based on who adapt fast. It's based on the skills there. So new formula is visibility is format into AI keywords. So if AI can't read your resume, recruiters won't because it won't get to them. So my view is clear. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI will. I always say that, and it's true. So if you learn these tools now, it's not just you will keep your job, but you will grow faster than your peers that are there. So I've created an AI proof resume template tested by a real community and a real recruitment software. It's inside my starter pack. You can check it out. The link is there in the pinned comment.